Hey everyone, in this video we will see Einhell battery charger light indicators, LED meaning and troubleshooting. Indicator light meaning red, off, green flashing. The charger is plugged in and ready to use, but no battery is inserted. Red on, green or off. The battery is charging normally. Red off, green on. The battery is fully charged and ready to use. Red flashing, green off. The battery is too hot or too cold. Charging is paused until the battery reaches a safe temperature. Red flashing, green flashing. The charger has detected a battery or charger fault. Charging cannot continue. Red light flashing causes the battery has become too hot after use or too cold due to storage. How to fix? Remove the battery from the charger, then let the battery return to room temperature. Then reinsert the battery and check if charging start normally. No light on the charger causes the charger is not received power. How to fix? Make sure the charger is plugged in securely, then test the wall outlet by plugging in another device. Then check the power cord for any visible damage. Try a different wall outlet if the charger still shows no light. It may be faulty. Thanks for watching.